Welcome everybody. We're back. All right, Nathan, thank you for the like. SK Sarif, welcome. Let's see what's gonna go here. NQ dropped quite a bit. I mean, not too much, but how much? Since London session, well, 70 points. It's not the end of the world. So, yeah, NQ dropped a little bit. It's cool. That's alright. What else happened? What else has happened here? Bought gold at 2660 with 2 mini. Exited. Oh. Yeah, you should have held. You should have held to it. Two mini contracts, dude. That's quite a lot. That's quite a lot. But nice job. All right, we're gonna have market open soon, so let's be careful here. We have a sell side liquidity at 41, and I think that price just might want to go down there. So I'm gonna be preparing for a possible short, actually. But I don't know. You know, it can also go straight up there. Would be exciting to see it go down to the 40s. Maybe adding to it. I'm not sure. I don't know. Alright, what else is here? 42. Yeah, so liquidity is down there at 42. And what else do we have? Nothing else. Gold is gonna go sideways, I think, a little bit. Just a little bit. Let's see what happens. The FOMO hurts. Oh, it hurts. I know. I know how it is. It can definitely do some bad things. Well, anyway, 6 more minutes to go. Just a second. I set up my charts here. All right. You're going long on NQ. Okay. Good luck with it. Be careful though. And let's see what this one's gonna do. 4 more minutes. By the way, I totally forgot to change the banner on Tradeify. I'll try to do that now. It's here somewhere. All right. Let me check the banner here. Right. Okay, less than 3 minutes to go. What's it gonna be? I wonder. Oh, look at that. Bit of a dump here. What is gold doing? Gold going up a little bit, not too much. Oh man. Almost 1 minute. Oh, what happened here? This slide just went out of the way. Let me fix it. Oh no, it didn't. A little bit. A little bit went out there. All right, let's see the open here. Holy Grail. Yeah, the short was a win. The short was a win, thank God. Turned out good. So it was all good. Looking like it's going to take your stop. Well, let's wait this one out. Let's see what it does. The markets are about to open in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let's see. Let's see what's it gonna do. Quite interesting. NQ so far not doing anything special. Gold going up a little bit, not too much. I wonder if it wants to go into that gap. Slow grind on gold, still not moving too much. Let me check it again. NQ took out that 1 hour, well, actually tapped into that fair value gap. I was kind of expecting that to happen, but But let's see. Thank you. No reaction. Well, let's see if it's gonna bounce, or you know, if we go out to the 15-minute. This is a 1 hour BC here. The mid level is down at 89. So I'm not really sure what it wants to do. But let's see. Let's see. What's it gonna be? What you gonna do? What you gonna do when I come for you? Gold spiked higher, but now it's retracing back down there. I mean, pulling back. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. SK, sorry. Stop loss, yeah. Sorry. Well, hopefully this one can start to go. If it bounces here, it might want to go back to maybe the London levels. We have a swing high at 225. So I'm looking for that. If it wants to go. Other than that, I'm not sure. Okay, so far we had a bounce from that area. And I'm wondering if it goes back, are we gonna go up there? I think the draw on liquidity could be up there at the 220s or even higher. We'll see. We'll see. Yeah, I can actually imagine that. Low hanging fruit would be 196. But you know. Yeah, look at this go. Look at this go. All right, never mind. I'm gonna turn on copy trading here. I can actually imagine this one gonna go up to the 200s. If not, then it has to go way down to 2190. Repricing a 15-minute fair value gap right now. I think it's gonna go to 96. Take up some orders from there. Past Elite Trader funding fast track in 2 days. Let's go, Secrets of the Unknown. Congratulations. My stop loss saved by just 1 point. Oh. You are lucky. You are a lucky. Congrats. Let's go. 96 should be taken out now. 97. Come on. So close. It's just so close. There's a connection issue. I have to reconnect. It should be taken, you know. If not, that's good too. No, not yet. Okay, repriced lower a little bit. Let's see how this candle is going to close, right? I wonder if this one can go, let's see, 29, yeah, to make a new low. Getting closer to 96 or 97 in this case. Let me see, the high of the candle, that flat candle is 96.75. Feels like it wants to take it, but I'm not sure. It's a flat candle. Those candles always get taken out, you know. All right, so it did. Interesting. We're moving up to that level that we talked about, which is the 225. 224, 225. Let's see. Let's see. If it's not gonna go there, then I'll be watching that 1 hour gap. Okay, gold might go higher. Let's see what's happening with gold. All right. Seems like it's going back down. Not sure though. Under the VWAP, which doesn't really mean anything special, but still a rejection. Funnel hit your target. Hey, listen, as long as it's in profit, who cares, right? That's the only thing that matters. You ended up in profit. That's the only thing that matters. What's happening on gold? We repriced the gap, but did not close it properly. There are some good levels up there. I would remain bullish on gold, but as for NQ, hard to say. It definitely looks like the drawn liquidity is a little bit higher up there. I don't know. If I look at the 5-minute, that 25 level looks very good. And this was the first fair value gap up there. So yeah, I'm gonna hold myself to that area in case it wants to go up there. Their second day on starter account. Yesterday was 1,000 up. Today 360 up. Let's go. Nice one. Hey Zoltan. Trap first hour. Be careful. Yeah, well, let's hope. I mean, by the way, this gap up here, this would be hold on. This would be, I'm looking for the first fair value gap after the London session, but it might not be it. Hold on. That's higher. That's way higher. Then what is this? Is this a 5-minute gap? Oh yeah, that's a 5-minute gap up there. Still, it's a good area. If it gets through this weave up area, then up she goes, I think. Or at least should go. Entered long at 193. My TP is 2350. Let's see. Let's see if this one can crack through. Has a hard time doing that for now. We're stuck here. Again. How surprising, right? The 5-minute looks good, that it wants to go higher still. Oh, yeah, news. We have Jolt's job openings in a few minutes. Yeah, that could be awesome. Yeah. So we have some news. Bit of a news, not too much, just a little bit. Just a little bit of a news. Come on, just do something. We still have 9 minutes. It can even go and take out those highs if it wants to. So we're in the macro and 8 more minutes until news. Doesn't need too much. Keeps rejecting. Seven more minutes. Try to bomb. Let's go, Bulls. ES is... What's ES doing? I haven't even looked at ES for a minute. Oh, yeah. To me, ES looks like it would be ready to continue higher, but I don't know. A little bit weird. Six more minutes, almost 5. Let's see. It's just gonna go sideways, I think so. Sitting at the VWAP here. Oh man. I thought that this wants to pop higher, but anyway, let's see what's gold doing. On gold, I see some fair value gap at 26.80. So I like that. Good morning, Crypto Panda. Hey there. What's going on? News in less than 4 minutes. I don't know why, but I like that fair value gap up there. Also the first London gap higher, and these levels right above midnight. I don't know. I think they're trading with the group. I think, or maybe he took off. He took out all the money and took off for a vacation. I don't know. No information. No information. Oh, come on. What's gonna happen now? 2 minutes. It's not gonna move until the news. It's not gonna move 100%. It's just gonna stay like this. All right, 1 minute 30 seconds. Excuse me. A little burp there. I don't know if this Joel's job openings is this a big deal or what? I don't think it's such a big deal. Or I don't know. It shouldn't be, in my opinion. Come on. All right, 10 seconds. Let's see. Here it comes. And we have the news. So what's it gonna be? Let's see. Is this gonna go or not? It should take it out. I still have my order on that I told you guys. My TP is at 24.75. What's the 5-minute level here? On the mini, 24.75. On the micro, 24.50. Well, maybe I modify it to 24.50. If I really have to. Check it out. All right. Nice. The issue is all I did is just got out from the drawdown that I was in during the London session. So anyway, just a moment. I'll be right back. All right, what's happening? Wow, what a rejection. But I think it's still gonna go. At least I hope. I'd like to enter to a nice trade here. What a rejection here. Wow. Huh. What was the high here? Oh, 25.25. Okay, so it took it out. Actually, it didn't. Created relative equal highs. So it's not over yet. It's not going for it. It's not going for it, not now at least. Okay, now it did. Now it just did. Okay, we have a London high at Asia high is not important anymore. London high at 243. This 5-minute gap has been repriced. Now rejecting it again. And I still can't figure out what's happening with gold. Gold, 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 gold. Feels like it might want to go down to the daily low after sweeping that gap, taking out more liquidity. Sorry, I just have to modify the banner. Okay, it's done. Midnight level is always cooking. Yeah, it's interesting how price is reacting to this area, Dario. I definitely find it quite interesting, and not just that. Actually, I want to look for the first fair value gap after the open. It was, yeah, it was here, nicely rejected. So that was a clear indication that this wants to go higher. And now, well, I don't know, we still have time. We might just continue to the previous day high. You went long on the first gap, congratulations. So it means you were watching this gap here, I think. Yeah, that was the one. Look at how it reacted beautifully. It went down, technically a bullish engulfing candle, beautiful rejection, and that's it. It's also, this here also shifted structure. Boom, there you go. Like, this was beautiful. Liquidity taken, SMT and bullish first gap. Yeah, exactly. Liquidity taken, SMT, bullish first gap, rejected. Everything pointing in the direction that it should go higher. So I like it. Now the question is, now that this move is done, what's gonna happen next? The question that remains forever. What's gonna happen now? This 5-minute candle has a long wick, nicely rejected. Well, Murphy's Law is always in the cards. You can't do anything about that. Buying. You're buying? Okay, let's see. I actually didn't see anything special right now here on NQ. But we have the first London gap. at 36.75. So it can also go there. I'm not saying that it will, but why not, you know? But still an interesting level. Today is the third. Yeah, London highs are still there. But I'm not sure if it will go for it or not. This was quite a rejection. And actually, let me just pull this out here in case it wants to go down. Asia low, it doesn't matter anymore. I mean, we're still in the silver bullet hour, so we can expect anything. Passed your first Eval on Apex. Congratulations, Aryan. Let me give you an applause. Nice job. All right, come on. What's it gonna be? What's it gonna be, NQ? Are we gonna go higher or what's the plan? I'm low on coffee. I thought that this one wants to revisit that London gap up there at 36. I mean, it can still go, but Took a long here, small one. Well, not a small one actually, but and it goes down. Just as it should. I'm trying to scalp that that London gap. Yeah, we're gonna look around. Yeah, we want to look around at the capital. So yeah. Come on, let's. Yeah, it used to be nice. Yeah, I mean it's still nice. I was there last year. It was we were looking around. It was really nice. Beautiful lights and everything. So it was really cool. Well, I don't know what this one wants to do, but I feel like it's not going to push it now. I have to close it. Yeah, there you go. Nice little spike here. Maybe it was sweeping orders, or maybe it wants to return to that 75-ish area. I don't know. Not really sure about it. Look at this drop. Made an SMT right now. Yeah, that could very well be the case. Structure shift here on the 1 minute. some levels here. We have a 5-minute, almost like an inversion gap here. Also in the AM session right now. So that level up there was quite interesting. We went through it. And I'm wondering if it wants to return there, maybe drop from there. Target would be 75. I took a short. And I might add to it. I took a short. Whoa! Atrium now. Or Itrium, sorry. Itrium. I sorry I butchered your name there. Welcome to the channel. Thank you for the subscription. Yeah. It kind of like inverted. Well, yeah. Look at how this gap from the AM session, how it got respected so far. It has technically now inverted this gap again. This other one. Thanks for joining. Sorry I said your name wrong there. Welcome to the stream. Hope you're having a good day. Let me look at the 5-minute chart again. I know I saw something here. Anyway, I'm gonna be watching this level. That's why I took the short. I want to return to the first presentation gap down there. And, you know, we might continue down to that 1 hour, 1 hour gap. Who knows? Might be a sell-off. Nobody knows, right? Don't hold your breath though, but anyway. Anyway, I'd like to see this one go. I'm gonna put a stop here, but it's not my final stop. I'm gonna close it manually if I have to. So obviously it's not a positive R by these lines, but it's just a hard stop. Morning, Gerald. What's going on? Actually, I'm thinking to put this to break even. Maybe I can't. Or I won't. Come on. Just go down. Just go. Just go. Come on, just go. Go, go, go. Go, please. This is your job, to go down. Oh, come on. You know you want it, NQ. Just push it. I mean down. Drop it, not push it. Drop it down. Drop, sorry, drop. I said drop. Drop it. There you go. Nice. That's what I like, NQ. That is what I like. Okay. Nice rejection on this gap. I mean, not exactly on that one, but I'm sure there was another inversion gap somewhere along the way. Like there. Anyway. This fair value gap inverted that one. Or whatever. I don't even know. But it was a good one. I liked it. It was okay. Now, going back up. What the heck is going on? Who knows? Okay. So far, so good. So what's this gonna be? Where is it gonna go? Rejected from the first presentation gap here. Looking for liquidity voids. We have a few down there at 62. If someone wants to scalp it. Looking for something on the 5-minute too. Nothing special. Okay, so it's down there at 62. Midnight level hater. Yeah, I know it's frustrating. I know. I know it could be frustrating. Okay, so far this area is holding. Nothing is happening. Nothing important. No news. at the VWAP again. Let's see if it wants to break through or not. Looked kind of bearish, but it's hard to tell. This is the mini. Nothing special on the mini. The 5 and it picked up some liquidity up there, both on the mini and the micro. That's all. Right at the VWAP, so. Hey, real folks, what's happening? Good to see you. 50 ball on the drop. Let's go. Congrats on those wins. I wonder how far this one might want to go. Or is this area going to hold it? If you break through here, we might just go to London highs. I think we might just go there, right? It looks like it wants to go there. Currently, this 1 minute candle is getting rejected just a little bit. Last week? Oh, awesome. Congrats on the payout. Nice. Beautiful. Congratulations. It's good to hear that people are taking payouts with the new system. Look at that. I think we're going through this gap. If we do, we might just go up to the 36. Or 35. Equal highs at 21.5. I mean, we have some good targets there, and we broke through this level, so I don't know what's it gonna be. It's a little bit interesting day, that's for sure. But, you know, we have some London highs still that could be taken out. I don't know. It is interesting for sure. I mean, this gap, which gap is this? This is the, yeah, at 711. For this moment, it's acting as possible support, and if they want to push it, they might be pushing it up there to the London gap or to the London highs up there at 43. Not sure. Not sure which one is going to be the case here. The macro is coming in 11 minutes. All right, breaking lower again. Let's see. Let's see if it makes the structure shift down. I think it could. No? Well, it traded below that level. Feels heavy. A little bit there. But it traded below that level. Technically almost inverted it. On the mini, there is a small unbalanced price down at, not that it matters too much, down there. As I said, it might not gonna mean anything if it wants to go down there starting at 62. But if it wants to continue higher, then, well, we just have to wait and see. Hey, gold. I'm gonna look at gold just a second. You're stuck in a short? Well, it can go. You see it on the micro as well. Yeah, oh yeah, it's down there at 62. I'm not saying it's going there. It's just there. So depending on what price wants to do. So gold right now, oh, it's dropping. Well, as for gold, hard to say. It can go and take out yesterday's lunch hour low down at 26.56. So far it's bearish, but I'm not touching it right now. I'm pretty sure I missed my entry anyways. I was too much focusing on NQ, but I think gold can easily drop. Yeah, so it's down here at 62. And I'm not saying that it will go down there. I'm just saying that it's interesting that you can see it both on micro and the mini, but that doesn't mean anything. This is in New York session, unbalanced price ranges are not that significant. Maybe in London. So, but right here, not really. Just sideways action. Macro is in about 5 minutes. I took a short. We'll see. No stop loss yet, but this is just a hard stop, but I'll be monitoring this one. Might be taking partials. We'll see. Oh, come on, man. Come on, what's it gonna be? If I zoom it out, it's more stressful. Oh, man. Just go. Hey, MB Trader, what's up? 10 micro. 10 micro. So basically 1 minute, but I didn't have the time to switch because the mini was not open, but it's no problem. Maybe I take partials. So 10 micro. Yeah. And we get EMP'd by Russia. I can get funded before Christmas. Yeah. Come on, NQ. Come on. Do this. Do this for me, please. Oh man, this mother tucker. We have the macro, so that's a problem. Right now, at least. It's just not doing it. Oh yeah, definitely. It's cooking everybody, regardless of who you are or what kind of trader you are. But yeah, that's true. It's cooking trend traders. That's true. Come on. Let's make it least stressful. Come on. God. Are you entertained? Thank you, NASDAQ. Thank you so much. Thank you. It's been a pleasure. Thank you. $500 or $600. Thank you. Unfunded. This was a good one. All right. I enjoyed this. No, I didn't. Actually, I didn't enjoy it all that such. But the idea was this, and it didn't go down eventually all that. I mean, the micro went down straight. I mean, to the tick. My TP was 62.50, and the low is 62. Whoa. And the mini didn't go there at all. The mini low was 64.50. I was a little bit lucky here, to be honest. Wall Street is scared now. All right, it was nice. It was nice. What a save, right? Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come home? I still think that price should be dropping down to 62, especially on the mini. But obviously we can see some bounce here repricing this drop, but you know, the target, I think, you know, 62 should be having a down close candle. So it needs to have a candle like this, a down close candle, or something like this. That's what I think. Maybe not. I think I was lucky there. Look at that. Look at this. I think I was a little bit lucky. What the hell is going on? Whoa. Yo, Note, what's going on? Why didn't it go down there? Why? And why was I so lucky? It just pierced right off from that gap. I don't think it's going to dump until during Powell's speech. Oh, when is he gonna speak? Is he speaking today? No, he's not. You exited that long? I'm a sniper. This my take profit was a sniper TP. Sniper. I mean the low here was 62. My TP was 62.50. So I don't know. I'm Wall Street Wizard. Oh yeah. I wish. I was lucky there. I was lucky. What the hell is this doing right now? What a rejection from that gap. Interesting. Interesting. $164? Dude, you sniped it. Jesus, you caught it right there. Boom. Oh yeah. Those are the ones. I don't think they're gonna talk too much about recession and rate cuts, because that's what is important to everybody. The rate cuts or whatever, and about the economy. I think they will going to avoid questions and topics about that. I think they're not allowed to comment on it. Where are they gonna speak? Speak about the labor market and monetary policy. Okay, then they might gonna Detroit Economic Club. Audience questions expected. Okay. What the hell is going on here? What is this? Jesus, I was lucky. What is going on? Jeez. Okay, so if it goes higher, it should take the 36. Why is it gonna hurt you? Wow. Jesus. I'm not chasing it, but it's absolutely weird. I'm not jumping into this. Somehow confirm whatever adjustments probably they currently have for December rate cut. Maybe, that's true. That's true. They can absolutely comment on it some one way or some way. Feeling FOMO? Don't forget about the FOMO. You know, that's just move on to the next setup. That's it. Market, no matter how much. Exactly. Never forget that. Look at that again. That 5-minute gap rejected price again. And An absolute shit show here. Absolute shit show. Will Apex deny my payouts if, only if I ever get there? No, I don't think they will. No, the only thing that they are denying payouts is because of the 30% rule. That's it. That's it. So if you have a stop loss that you won't let your trade go below or higher 30% of your maximum loss limit, then you should be having no issue at all. Okay, just a minute. I'll be right back. All right, you're done. 450 today. All right, that's nice. You know, absolutely not going to overtrade. I actually climb out from a hole because I was in a drawdown since London session, so I consider myself lucky. So you were up 400, then down 500, now up 600. That was like 40% of drawdown. I wouldn't say so. So you were up 400. Then down 500. So that's $900 in one trade. Then now up. So you have to count with the $900. I think you're good. Maybe you might have to trade a little bit more, depending on when you want to take a payout or which level you want to take the withdrawal. But you should be okay. DCAing is allowed. DCAing is allowed. So, just sneezed. So DCAing is allowed. We have a paid Discord for $10 where we used to share some setups. Not always. I have to upgrade that, but nowadays a little bit quiet. But I still didn't started the free Discord. The only reason I didn't start the free Discord because I don't have the time to moderate it, and I don't want to deal with toxic people on the free Discord. That was the only reason for it. Hey, no problem. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. It's fine. It's fine. Look at that. We're going for that 36. I'm mad. I wish I knew that this, I mean, that London gap up there, I mean, it can still go. Got rejected again. London high is at 43. I'm curious if it wants to take out that first London gap or take out the previous high or London high at 43. Or it just, you know, stays in this internal range. There's a gap down at 97 as well. It's also on the mini, right? No, it's not. Is it going to sweep that gap again? I think it just might. You know, go all the way down. We have some 5-minute gaps below 204 and nothing else. You hit data loss limit on ProfiTrade. Oh, sorry about that. It happens, you know. What can we do? What can we do, right? I'm actually just curious if this price action is gonna go for some internal range liquidity, or what's the deal here? Might want to take out the London high, but no entry at this point. Yeah, look at that. London high up there, and we have previous day high up there. Not really sure. Still looking at that 43.50. I'm not sure what's the level on the mini. 43.50. I guess it can go. It's not far. And we have a lunch hour high. That's the 59 level from yesterday. Today was your 5th day over 200 at MyFundedFutures, but my P&L is only at 600. That is because I hit that. Well, it happens, but hey, listen, that you can request a payout, but I think it's gonna be locked in, you know, to 50k, or I don't know how much is your account size. It's gonna lock into the starting balance, I think. GYATT, what is that? So technically you can. The minimum payout is 250. So I think that's the minimum. I'm just not sure about the drawdown, how much you're left with. Oh well, let's wait. Might want to take that out. I don't know. That would be the London high. Going back to that that gap, that London gap, first presentation gap now. Let's see. What is ES doing? ES 6057. All right, it's fine. Is it reversing maybe? I wonder if it is. Because it took that gap, rejected from it. You're back in a short at 26. Careful, careful, careful. But hey, good luck. Good luck, good luck, good luck. Hold on a second, just a second.